Hey guys, video on energy fuels. So I did some overthinking yesterday on this one and on UAC. Because if we zoom in locally, we're really on the edge now, okay? Our thoughts here are that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside this third, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, still valid, still valid. But if I take the fibs from this wave 2 to this wave 3, which is here, because I label this as an A, B, C, we're at the 0.5 fib, okay? And below us we have the 618, which is an invalidation for this scenario, which would then start to break the structure, okay? More locally, the bounce here from this 0.5 fib, I don't like this. We have an 886 hit here. Okay, yep, it can happen, but most often once you have an 886 hit, you go and take that low or that high, okay? But still not my biggest worry because I can label this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a wave 1, okay? Nothing wrong with that. Just this is a little bit deep, but because it's a diagonal pattern here that I label, it's still fine, I think. Then here, yeah, yesterday it faked out, then today it faked out again. Like I have to, instead of doing an ABC like this has to be just an A wave, a B wave somehow, ABC, and then a C wave down here, okay? I have these fibs then, taken from this low to the wave 1 high here, okay? For this wave 2. We are hovering between the 0.5, 0.618, and we have the point of control of this range below us. I have this rectangle here because this is also an important area, okay? If we locally lose this, yeah, we'll take this low and we'll attack the invalidation point here, okay? So A, B, then here, this move down could be a C wave. I was labeling it like this yesterday then. 1, 2, 3, highest volume in your third here locally. 4, and then we never got the fifth wave down. Maybe we're not gonna get it, but if we do, yeah, we have the 0.618 here at 20.83, okay? Level to watch. Where this fifth could bottom, and maybe we could go up, if not already. And if this does not show strength, should we go down, then we have the point of control at 20.52, okay? To the upside, I have the 618 taken from this wave 2, but maybe I can make a lot. No, I'll keep it like this. 1, 2, 3. To invalidate this wave 4 would be nice to hit this. We almost did it, but we failed. If we now locally move up and take this, then before taking this low, then I'm gonna put the C wave here, okay? If you can follow me still, it's messy, I know. But that's locally here and what we have to focus on today, okay? 20.84, 20.52. Now, zooming out again. If this breaks and if we invalidate, we have to shift to another labeling, another count, okay? And that's what this drawing here is. 1, 2, 1, 2. Like you have a main third here because you have like this massive jump. Then maybe this is your 4, 5, 4, 5 already done. Why do I not label it like that? Because the wave 1, the wave 2 range is here. You can see it clearly, like it's a sideways range of a few days. Yeah, here we get one. Yep, so this could be that fourth wave, fifth wave, but then we never get that secondary longer range, okay? So that's just an idea I have. Maybe it is already finished, this wave 1 to the upside. Maybe we're gonna do a wave 2 now, which would go deeper. Although I don't like that, because as you can see here, you have 1, 2, 1, 2. You don't have a 4, 5 here. It just goes up. Yeah, you can argue 1, 2, 3. This one is a wave 4. Then this is a 5th maybe. But then it makes sense to put this 3rd here, put the wave 4 here, put this 3rd here, put this 4 here, put this 5 here. Okay, I think this is the first thing that I'm going to shift towards if we break here. What this will do is it will give us a little bit more room to the downside. Okay, and if we then fail again here, this is important. If we then invalidate again this wave 4 by hitting the $17.48 level, we have to label this as an ABC, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a larger ABC, and we'll have to move down, and we will shift towards the scenario that this was a wave 1, this is an A wave, a B wave, a C wave in wave 2. Hope that makes sense to you. It's a lot, I know. And I hope I explained everything as well as I had in my mind, because thinking about something and explaining it is sometimes not as straightforward. But yeah, zooming out then, again, we have a little bit of the same here, 1, 2, 1, 2. We have this main third, then a 4, then a 5, but we never get that secondary, like wave 4 range. Like this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe. Yep, okay, you have multiple 1, 2s here, so yeah, you can give a few more here. But is this then your range, your wave 4 range from here? Could be. And if that is the case, we have to go with the green count here. 1, 2, or 1, 2, 1, 2. But that will all depend on how price reacts here. So I know it's tricky. It's really tricky. Curious what today is gonna bring with the inflation data. And yeah, you know the invalidations here locally, 20.84 and the point of control are important. If we lose that, yeah, we don't want to hit the 18.03. Then one scenario will be invalid. That's this darker blue one. Okay. We'll have to then shift towards this. Like I said, then this wave 4 gives a little bit more room to the downside. And if that fails, we have to go to the green count, which could be wave 1 here, then wave 2 like this, or maybe this was already your wave 2. This was a wave 1, somehow a wave 2, 3, 4, 5. Lesser likely, I think, because of the structure here, looking more like an ABC then. But that's for later if we break this, okay? Just be aware, is all I want to say. And it is allowed to move down. That's the most important thing. Nothing will break here. We have got a lot of room to the downside. We can label this as a wave 1 very clearly. Okay, I labeled as a wave 3 still here because I wanted to see a wave 4 range and then also bearish divergence in a 5th wave. We didn't take the high yet. I don't like, if we could have done that here with this move with another 4, 5 here, it would be clearer. Then we would have a very clear 5 wave move up. We would say, okay, now we're gonna correct. Now it's in between the two scenarios and it's making it tricky. But okay, it's been a long video, sorry. But I think, again, it's necessary with how things went yesterday. And just to spread, again, awareness that it is okay if it drops. This will just be a 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? You can't go straight up. Never. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.